Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Firstly, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Press the capture button to take a photo snap. Now, on the edit screen, look at the menu on the right side. Tap the infinite timer icon, which is an infinity symbol inside a clock. On the next screen, choose No Limit, which ensures that friends can save your photo in snaps in chats. This will become your default settings for all photo snaps unless you change it later. Just a tip, if you don't want to set No Limit, friends won't be able to save your snaps in chat. So if you do No Limits, it will be able to save snaps, but if you don't set No Limit, friends won't be able to save your snaps in the chat. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.